And this is a big breaking news we are getting to you now. This is the first step to arrest Lalit Modi, an NBW now to be issued against him. That is a non-bailable warrant. Remember, the government has been trying to indicate that they are wanting to keep up the pressure on Lalit Modi. The Enforcement Directorate was strongly pushing for a non-bailable warrant against the former IPL chairman. And we do understand that a special court would have in fact passed on an order today regarding the issuance of this ED plea. In fact, what we are getting to hear that the court has accepted the ED plea to get up this NBW, that is a non-bailable warrant against Modi in case of alleged money laundering registered against him. Megha is live with us. Now, Megha, this is a big development. What really does this mean for the entire case, Megha?
Well, it is a huge development, and this perhaps is the first, the first step that we are seeing in terms of making any effort. All this while that the case had been on, the investigation had been on since 2010, and in the last 5 years, this is perhaps the first step towards making an effort to arrest Lalit Modi. So, what has happened today in the Mumbai Sessions Court is that the special PMLA court, the Prevention of Money Laundering Court, that the Enforcement Directorate had moved, has allowed the plea of the Enforcement Directorate. So, at this moment, the order has come. The court has informed the agency that their plea to issue a non-bailable warrant against Lalit Modi has now been allowed. So the special PMLA court has given this order, and we believe that in shortly, perhaps in the course of the day, the warrant will be issued. That's what the ED officials are saying. So it is a huge boost for the Enforcement Directorate. It waited for this order for almost good 10 days. There were lots of queries by the Sessions Court that were raised about whether the court had the power and the jurisdiction to issue NBW against a person who was staying outside the jurisdiction of the court, and rather outside India. So it is a very big boost for the agency, and they believe that after this, of course, shortly they will also be moving for the issuing of red corner notice if this particular warrant that has now been given fails to get executed, or perhaps any results. So this perhaps we can say is just the beginning.